ChatGPT for finance professionals. 5 key tips. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model capable of understanding and processing natural language input from humans. It can be a valuable tool for finance professionals working in enterprise companies for several reasons. Faster decision making. Quickly and easily accesses vast data and information. You can ask ChatGPT questions and get answers in real time, without having to spend hours searching through spreadsheets, databases, or financial reports. Better data analysis. You could ask ChatGPT to help you identify the areas where your company is spending too much money or provide you with insights into customer spending habits. Improved customer service. If a customer has a question about their account balance or a recent transaction, they can ask ChatGPT and get an immediate response. Enhanced efficiency. You can automate repetitive tasks and processes like data entry or report generation. Improved accuracy. You can reduce the risk of human error by automating repetitive tasks and processes. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to calculate a complex formula, you can be confident that the result will be accurate. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help finance professionals and accountants to work more efficiently, make better decisions, and provide better customer service. Give ChatGPT a try and see how it can benefit your business today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to support the channel and content creation.